Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in cTrader. The first thing I want you to do is open your cTrader dashboard, and then here I want you to go ahead and select your currency or market that you want to go ahead and trade. So we have picked our security as Euro/USD, and then here on the right hand side you'll actually see the new order section. I want you to come here and you can click on stop loss, toggle this one on. You can go ahead and set your prices, your take profits as well. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and place your order to go ahead and either buy or sell. So let's say we're selling, you place your order for a stop loss right there. As you can see, we have placed this order and we had toggled on stop loss. That's all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.